Welcome to Pagan Pathways for another DIY. Let's get crafting. I picked this little shelf up at a discount store. I believe it was $1.49. And I'm going to give it a paint job and we're going to make it a crystal shelf. For this shelf, I'm going to use the Rust-Oleum and Heirloom white in a satin finish, same as I did the other shelves. And we're just going to give it a nice coat. Then we'll probably have to come back and do a second or third coat, just simply because the pink is so vibrant. And when it's all dry, we'll go ahead and get started with the next step. Alright, here it is with a nice coat of paint on it, and we're going to go ahead and wrap it in this leftover gold ribbon I had. I'm going to use one little line of glue each time I lay it down so it doesn't seep through very much. And I'm going to go around the entire frame. Now, this matches my aesthetic, and you should definitely make this however you choose, using whatever shelf you can find. Again, I only paid $1.49 for this, and this total project probably cost me maybe $5. So whenever you're out thrift shopping or whatever, look for those deals, pick something up, doesn't matter the color, and you can always change it. I think this looks lovely together. So for our next step, we're going to flip this over, and I'm going to use some ribbons that I had on hand. However, you can pick them up at the Dollar Tree, which is where I got mine. I'm going to cut them to the desired length, and then I'm just going to hot glue them on. I want them to hang down and look almost whimsical is what I'm going to say here. And then I'm going to take these 3 feathers that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to my wire cutters and twist them around until I kind of saw through and they pop off. Then I'm going to take this gold ribbon that I got at Walmart for 47 cents, and I already had it on hand too, by the way. I'm going to use a dab of hot glue. I'm going to twist it around, use another dab of hot glue to hold it into place, and then run the ribbon up the back side so that the feather lays flat against the wall how I would like. So I know I said you could pick up any shelf you want, which is absolutely true, but currently Dollar Tree has some shelving units for only $1 that would be cute if you did something with them. They are just black, but they do come with the wall anchors, which I find to be perfect because some crystals can be heavier than others. Anyway, so once we get that one glued on, we're going to do the other 2 exactly the same, and then we're just going to glue them onto the back of the frame. Once we do that, we're going to take the hot glue gun and we're going to go across all of them, take our finger and flatten it out. I suggest you wear protectors if you have sensitive skin. This will just help make sure they're secure. Now, with that said, we are going to then remove that piece that I should have waited to put on and then put it over the top of the other one because I wanted it to really hang behind the feather. Alright, here's what it looks like before the crystals, but don't go anywhere because I'll show you what it looks like with crystals on it. However, you could use a shelf for anything you would like. It was super simple, and again, I only think I have maybe $5 in the total thing, and it does hold quite a few. Alright, witches, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll talk soon.